दाढ़ी बढ़ गई मेरी और बीवी के साथ एक ही छत के नीचे रह रहा हूँ.
पहले भी पड़ी
ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. I mean, obviously it's different. Yeah, we've not lived, under the same roof before wedding. अब हम लोग एक साथ रह रहे हैं. मैं बहुत बार बोल चुका हूँ ये कि पहले मैं अकेला घर गंदा करता था, अकेला साफ़ करता था. अब मिल के गंदा कर रहे हैं और मिल के साफ़ कर रहे हैं. So it's all good. Yeah, we living like two best friends staying together, and touch wood, it's very beautiful, and we are loving it, every single bit of it.
आपके फ्रेंड शादी का हाल ही में शो लॉन्च था एंड देयर आई आस्क्ड हिम कि सुयश में शादी के बाद क्या चीज़ है, सो दिस इज व्हाट ही हैज टू से अबाउट दैट एंड ही हैज अ स्पेशल मैसेज फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू.
I love this picture.
Shaleen.
बोल क्यों नहीं रहा?
सो काफ़ी कम टाइम है उनकी शादी को, बट एक चेंज जो सुयश में जो चेंज हुआ है उसके बारे में हमें बता दीजिए.
देखिए सुयश की ज़िंदगी में ना मैं उसको बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ आज. तो उसको हर साल मैंने बढ़ते हुए उगते हुए देखा है, बदलते हुए देखा है. He got more matured, he got more serious, he got more focused in life. So I think one change that has really happened after his marriage is that he's become responsible now. And that's very, very heart-touching for me. And I'm saying it with all my truth and honesty as a brother of his that I'm really, really happy that he's gotten responsible and is taking his life and his role in his life and the role that he has to play very seriously.
तेरे बारे में कुछ नहीं.
क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी रिस्पॉन्सिबल थी.
Well, to the both of you. So just keep that love, just keep that trust and honesty in the relation. And बाकी तो 3 बजे जब कुछ होगा झगड़ा तो हम तो यहीं. Unfortunately.
Well, I think Suyash has got emotional after listening to the message. But yes, I think इसके सारे friends जितने भी मैं मिल चुकी हूँ, इसके पास बहुत कम friends थे. And जिनसे भी मैं मिल चुकी हूँ, I think उसमें से Shaleen is one person I am the closest to. And literally, like he said, कि अगर झगड़ा होगा तो I can, he's there at 3 o'clock in the morning. So I know that I can always call him up, and I know that he will be there. And I know that he loves me equally, just the way I do. And yeah, and of course to Suyash also he means a lot. अब बाकी का सब Suyash आपको बताएगा. बताइए.
So obviously in this video, I know Shaleen for about almost 10 years now. He's never said all this. एंड मुझे नहीं पता रहा कि ऐसे वीडियो के थ्रू एक दिन शालीन का ऐसी बातें पता लगेंगी. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई ऑब्वियसली नो दैट ही लव्स मी वे टू मच, एंड आई ऑल्सो द बॉन्ड शालीन एंड आई वी शेयर टुगेदर, it's been I don't even know how to explain this, but from our first audition together in Mumbai and from where we are today, we've shared that, from fighting on Bombay roads, from starving at night without, sleeping without eating food, and without having like almost 100 rupees in our bank accounts, and from those days to this, I think we've lived that life together, and he's been a great friend. And obviously more than a friend, like he said, he's family, he's a brother, and I think all of my friends, जितना struggle शालीन ने recently देखा है last कुछ सालों में, I don't think हम में से किसी ने नहीं देखा है. but and जितना strong और जितना high headed वो रहा है इस बीच, जैसे उसने always smiling and making us smile. I think it takes a lot to be like that, and I'm glad I have a brother like that in my life who's so positive and who's so supportive, and he's always there whenever I need him. Like you said, a 3 a.m., 4 a.m. friend. I'm very happy for him while he's doing this show on Star Plus right now, and I wish him all the luck for this show, and I love him.
And he's gonna start crying.
No, I won't start.
Okay. He's just emotional.